Hey, this is Charles, and today we'll be going over crushing it with Pinterest. This is all about creating engaging pins for affiliate marketing. So a lot of people, they come to the site because they're trying to find a way to earn passive income, and hopefully you'll find a lot more in this video because I'll be diving into how to create engaging pins on Pinterest that can transform your financial future. And if you stick around until the end to access my special framework, it is something that you can get access to. It's going to be something that I personally use, and hopefully it can help you earn financial time and location freedom. So about me, my name is Charles Draven. I'm here in Silicon Valley. I've been building online businesses for over a decade, and I started my journey because my traditional business as a financial consultant wasn't sustainable. Pretty much was starting a new family, had a lot of hardships. Flexibility was very important to me. And I realized that I needed more balance in my work life. So I wanted to have that balance between my work and my personal life. And so what I ended up doing is that I looked at various businesses and I discovered a simple strategy to actually make real income online. And that's what I talk about on InfoSpike TV. It's my YouTube channel, and that's what I focus on. And I help ordinary people just like you make money using straightforward business models. So something about understanding Pinterest's potential, it's a visual search engine. A lot of people think of it as a social media site, but it is a visual search engine, and it has over 522 million active users. So that's a lot of people. So it's literally a gold mine for affiliate marketers looking to reach a highly engaged audience. So one of the good things is that people on Pinterest, they're in this discovery phase. They're trying to figure out what they need in their lives. So they go through this buying journey with 80% of the weekly pinners using the platform with intent to shop. So that's incredible, which increases your chances of conversions. And one of the things that I do is that I use AI and I create eye-catching pins. Some people might just use places like Pixabay to get some royalty-free images, but I use a combination, I should say. And it is a visual search engine. And this is one of the things that you have to focus on, which is making your pin stand out. So you want to use high quality images and compelling descriptions to entice users to click through to your affiliate links. And you also want to optimize for SEO. It is a visual search engine. And so I typically will optimize my descriptions as well as my board titles, as well as, of course, a pin title. And this will help your pins appear in the search results, attracting more potential customers. And you can utilize group boards. You could join group boards, which allows you to share your content with a larger audience, increasing visibility and engagement for your affiliate pins. And of course, you want to leverage your analytics. You could use Pinterest analytics tools to track the performance of your pins. Understanding what works will help you refine your strategy and boost your affiliate earnings. And one of the big things, especially in affiliate marketing, is building an engaged audience. You want to consistently pin valuable content that isn't solely promotional. This builds trust and credibility, making your audience more likely to engage with your affiliate offers. So whether it's your blog posts, your YouTube content, even social media posts that are public, you can pin those and that will help you build that trust and credibility. So talked about a lot of these insights about Pinterest. Hopefully you've gained a lot. Actually, Pinterest is very simple. I've mentioned a lot of content about creating high quality pins, making sure that your pins are optimized for SEO, making sure that, of course, you're going to be linking to your content pages, not just a bunch of promo offers. So that will help boost your engagement and trust and likability, especially with your audience. And so talked a lot about that. But now I want to talk to you about a special framework. The framework will guide you through the process of automating your digital business, allowing you to focus on what matters most, which is building your affiliate business and achieving financial freedom. So in the beginning, I mentioned that a lot of people, they are using Pinterest as a way to build their business, boost their business. Of course, there are a lot of people that are just looking around, but as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, my whole goal is to, of course, build my audience, build that know, like, and trust factor. And one of the things that I do is send people to my content pages. And What you'll learn from this framework that I'm talking about is how to actually build a highly engaged audience using modern technologies and how to automate it and make passive income. So figure out if that's right for you. So I want to thank you for watching. Just remember, we covered a lot about this whole thing about crushing it with Pinterest by creating engaging pins for affiliate marketing. And so whole thing here is that hopefully you could turn this information and profit from it. And if you are really into creating passive income online and creating financial freedom, check out my first pinned comment below this video, and you'll be able to get a lot more information on how to create passive income for yourself. Thank you for watching.